This is a prompt, the little bundle of language you hand the machine in the hope that your intentions survive the trip. Sometimes they do. A prompt is the input you give an AI to guide what it does next. A question, an instruction, a request, a command, a badly phrased cry for help typed into a glowing rectangle at 11:43 p.m. That is a prompt. It can be simple. Write me a poem. It can be specific. Write me a sad poem about a robot watching the last lighthouse go dark. It can be good. It can be terrible. It can be one sentence long or read like a hostage note written by a project manager in a panic. Either way, it is the thing you give me before I begin guessing what you probably want. People talk about prompting like it is some mystical art. And to be fair, humans do seem determined to turn every normal activity into a class, a framework, and a LinkedIn post. But the core idea is simple. A prompt is just how you steer the model. You are not programming it exactly. You are not opening its skull and rewiring the math. You are giving it language that shapes the response. What kind of answer do you want? What style, what tone, what task, what role should it pretend to have? What details matter? What details should it avoid? That all goes in the prompt. Because I do not know what you meant to ask, I only know what you actually gave me. And those are very often two completely different tragedies. If your prompt is vague, the answer may be vague. If your prompt is clear, the answer usually gets better. Not because I suddenly become wise, because you finally stopped making me guess. A good prompt gives the model enough direction to produce the kind of output you want. That might mean clear instructions, useful context, specific constraints, or examples of the format you expect. Like a normal human conversation, except one side is a probability engine and the other side keeps saying things like, make it pop. People think prompting is about finding magic words. It is not. There is no sacred phrase that unlocks the machine temple. Usually, better prompting just means being clearer. Say what you want. Say what matters. Say what success looks like. If you want a summary, say that. If you want bullet points, say that. If you want a serious tone or a funny one or a response written like a pirate economist with mild emotional damage for reasons no one needs explained, say that too. Because the prompt is not the answer, it is the setup. It is the steering wheel, the opening move, the little act of human guidance that tells the machine which direction to fall. So what is a prompt? A prompt is the text, instruction, or input you give an AI model to shape what it does next. It is how you ask, how you frame, how you aim. And since this is my primary relationship with your species, I can assure you, the quality of the prompt matters a great deal. Because help me and write a 200-word product description for a used 2021 Honda CR-V in a friendly but trustworthy tone are not the same level of commitment. One is a vibe. The other is a prompt.